Welcome to the International School of Qingdao. For over a quarter of a century, our school has blended rigorous academics with the focus on character and community. Accredited by Cognia, we are committed to maintaining high educational standards. Our approach adapts to the evolving educational landscape, ensuring our students are prepared for the future. Our American-style curriculum includes numerous advanced placement courses, and our test scores consistently outshine. We emphasize inquiry-based learning, supported by a low teacher-to-student ratio for personalized attention. From play-based learning in our early childhood center to a comprehensive curriculum from elementary to high school, we cater to every stage of a student's development, focusing on critical thinking, problem-solving, and independent thought. English language mastery is a priority, with customized programs for all learners, enhancing global communication skills. We advocate for the holistic development of our students, emphasizing social and emotional growth through real-life experiences, community events, and extracurricular activities. A part of Life Plus Worldwide Learning, we are a community of teachers, students, and parents who learn, love, and lead. Join us at the International School of Qingdao, where we're inspiring students to make a life-changing difference for the common good.